Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sportibong Zikamalambong Nkosi. Please help me grow this channel by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Tango, finally, the wait is over. Statement was given with the Kaizer Chiefs and Coach Nasreddin Nabi. They have parted ways mutually. So that tells us Uguti. This back and forth that they were doing, it wasn't maybe a case of trying to bring him back or maybe to lift up his suspension, but they were discussing about the settlement that they were going to give him because he had months left in his contract and also that an option to extend. So now it makes sense, Guti, why did it take them so long to announce officially the head coaches that are going to go Cedric Gaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf as coaches and the departure of Coach Nasreddin Nabi. So the speculations are saying with the settlement fee is around 5.6 million rands. So that's why it took so long for them to announce, because they were discussing about the right amount that they were going to give Coach Nasreddin Nabi. Speculations doesn't mean good it is true, but it is estimated around that fee. So it makes sense, because if you look at the number of months left and that option to extend, yeah, it is reasonable for Coach Nasreddin Nabi, even though it is said that he's going. But let's look at the brighter side. Kaizer Chiefs knew what they were doing, because look at this situation. The head coach is going, the co-coaches are leaving behind or are left behind, including the fitness trainer and the goalkeeper coach. So that tells us, Uguti, now the decision that was taken, it was based on cutting costs. Because look at how it took them to finally decide how much they will give Coach Nasreddin Nabi settlement fee, and then think about the other four that are being left behind. Which even theirs was going to be a case whereby it is going to take long up until they reach that agreement. But the good thing is that nothing will be broken, because since our co-coaches, including goalkeeper coach and our fitness fitness and conditioning trainer, they all came with Nasreddin Nabi. They all know the project, as said by our sporting director, Kaizer Junior, that they know the project. So if we were about to start afresh, it was going to affect the momentum of the team and destroy the project as a whole. So the better option was to give them a chance to continue up until next season. So that tells us we have to support these co-coaches, because we have no choice for now, which means all the coaches that were linked with Kaizer Chiefs, and they no longer carry that much weight, because now everything is settled. We will continue with these coaches. So the other coaches now, whatever that was being said, it's no longer important, because we focus on supporting these two coaches. Hopefully that things will turn around for them, because it is important for the game that we're going to play versus AS Simba. We have to win it, and then we'll come back to the league versus Iswalele on the 22nd of October, because the other one is going to be played on the 18th of October against the AS Simba, CAF Confederation. So that tells us a good thing. Even though some decisions are not, they don't seem like they are good for the club, but the main thing is to put the club first, because they could have sent the whole technical team picking, but they've decided to leave this one because they think they still have an integral part that they have to play for the club, especially with someone like Coach Cedric Gaze that is capable of improving players, and the passion, the love that Elias Muzouki has for the club. That positive attitude will be the one that is going to help us, especially after the situations we have encountered whereby our team seems like they are not disciplined, they are divided. So that is another issue that I think they will deal with it internally, as they've done with the situation of a Coach Nasreddin Nabi. So now the only thing that is left from us, I think we only have one task to do as fans. Is to rally behind the club, make sure that we support the boys, support the technical team. Doesn't matter the results, but what is important is that now we know what we will be facing ahead of our season, because there's still a long way to go. But the positive thing is that we see improvement is just there. We are not clinically in front of the goalpost. Hopefully, after this international break, everything will become clear. We'll start making use of the chances that we create. We'll see a different team whereby we see that there's a change of a atmosphere, especially in the locker room, because everything started there in the changing room, whereby you could see the coaches have lost the excuse me, they've lost the change room. But the important thing is now to try by all means they redeem themselves. They try by all means they give the players the kind of coaching that doesn't only improve them, but is going to help them in the long run. So I don't know, what do you think about this situation, because it is said that he's now gone. So simply means with all the clubs that were linked to Coach Nasreddin Nabi, they can start again now tabling offers for him. That's when he will decide this is the club of the choice that I want to sign for. So now I have the go ahead after being given the settlement that he deserves and the green light. So the only thing left now is for us to prepare to live life without a coach Nasreddin Nabi and support the two Coco coaches, Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Gaze. Don't forget to mention Ilyas Muzwake and Umachi Safi. So obviously simply means Nabo it can happen it's just in your Makpele season. That's when Nabo their future will be decided. Now, if the club doesn't do well, but if the club performs, simply means there will be no need to change, because these changes always affect us, because every season we have to change a coach. Unfortunately, last season we didn't, but if it wasn't for that Nedbank Cup. So we have to understand at some point emotions don't really matter, especially in situations where it involves business, because emotions change. The decision that you make while you are sad or angry, after 2 days, it no longer matters, because you are in a new mood. So that's what I think with management, but they always think for the best interest of the club. So they are the ones responsible of minimizing the risk that will come about with the decision made, especially if the head coach is not doing what it is supposed to be done. But now we are going to put this matter to rest. The coach is now gone. Now we have to fully focus on our club and supporting it each and every game, as we always do. So this is it for today. I don't know, what do you think, Makosi? But the coach Nasreddin Nabi mutually agreed to leave Kaizer Chiefs, and also our management is happy with that. They are happy with the contribution that he gave to the club, the commitment that he gave, bringing his expertise to our club, ending the 10-year drought. So now it's up to Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Gaze to lead the team to greener pastures. So I don't know, what do you think? But please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. Danko.